If you are thinking about joining Instant Recall, you would definitely want to watch this video. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I am going to be sharing my thoughts on the Instant Recall opportunity. Now if you haven't heard of Instant Recall, it is a free app that basically allows people to start earning a monthly recurring income just by referring people to the app. Now, getting this out the way, right? A couple things. One, this is a legit and a real way to make some extra cash online. Secondly, to become an actual Instant Recall business builder, to be eligible to receive commissions, you do have to become a data seller. Now, to become a data seller, it is $3.99 a month. All right, it is $3.99 a month. This will allow you to be able to earn an unlimited income just by referring people to the app. All right, because one thing that I noticed is a lot of people will join Instant Recall and they'll kind of like promote it a little bit. They'll talk about it, they share it with other people, and they'll get signups, but they're not earning any money from Instant Recall because they're not a data seller. They're not paying the $3.99 a month to be eligible to receive commissions, so they're getting nothing out of the app. And that's where, if anybody is saying anything negative about Instant Recall, they just don't understand the opportunity and the business model. They're not getting it, right? So one thing I will say is, if you want to make money with Instant Recall, you have to pay, let's just call it $4. It's going to cost you $4 a month to have your Instant Recall business. All right. Now, one thing that I will say that I do like about Instant Recall, it is very, very easy to promote because it's just what I said. You're basically sharing this with people and say, hey man, you want to earn some extra cash by sharing this app? Boom, check out the presentation video. That's it. You're just directing people to the actual, presentation video for Instant Recall. Because once people watch that video, if you can get people to that video, your job is done, because the video tells you everything you need to know about the opportunity, right? After somebody watched that video, they can either be like, ooh, this is cool as hell, or they can be like, you know what, this just ain't for me, and keep it moving. It's all good, right? So the idea is to get people to that presentation page. If you're not willing to advertise Instant Recall or share it with people, you're not going to benefit from this opportunity. I ain't gonna lie, right? Now, side note, you can just download Instant Recall and just use it, right? Because what Instant Recall does as an app is actually it tracks people's location, and it puts little pins at different places that if you ever want to go back to these places, you can just go on your app and it'll let you know, everywhere you was at. It's almost like a friendly reminder, right, of places that you like or places that you want to go back to, right? So to be fair, yes, you can just use Instant Recall as a cool free app, but you probably want to make money. That's why you're watching this video. But now, one thing that I will say about Instant Recall, and they just updated this. They used to have it where, like, they didn't even have like a presentation page for its affiliates, right? It's almost like you kind of was on your own. You kind of had to be very creative to get people, to sign up to Instant Recall, and they would have to use your referral code. But as of a couple months ago, did that make sense? Damn, I don't know. But they actually have a sales presentation page for its affiliates. All right. So whenever you join Instant Recall, you will have your link that you can present to people, and that has the presentation video on there, and it gives you all the instructions on what you need to do to start earning money with Instant Recall, right? So you do have a sales page now. To me, in my opinion, the sales page could be a little better, you know what I'm saying? But I think this company is mainly all about the Instant Recall and getting users. I don't think they have a strong marketing team when it comes to like sales funnels and presentation pages and squeeze pages, to be honest with you, right? Their sales page is kind of like, it's alright. You know, it get the job done, but in my opinion, it could be a lot better, and maybe they will over time. Now, one more thing is they do actually offer you a QR code. Now, I love QR codes because this right here just makes it so much easier to promote, because you get your QR code and you can put this QR code on business cards or flyers or anywhere you can think of, right? All somebody would have to do is scan that code and it will be taken to your instant recall presentation page where they can sign up, you know, and be underneath you, right? So that in itself, I do like that. That's really, really cool. And one last thing, the earning potential for instant recall, it's incredible, right? It's incredible and it's easy to do, but you have to be in go mode to make this work. I see so many people join this opportunity, they get so excited and they don't do a damn thing. Like, they'll take the time to download the app, they take the time to you know, read the instructions, they take the time to, you know, look at the sales page and all of that. But when it comes time to actually making money, that's where a lot of people fall off, right? And that don't got to be you. Listen, this is just another opportunity, but to make it work, you got to work. So if you were somebody who was questioning whether instant recall is a real opportunity, can you really make money with it? The answer is yes. But you also need to realize that it will take some effort. If you have the effort, then the money will come. So if you want to get started with instant recall today, you can do that. All you got to do is click that first link in the description, watch the presentation video, and then after that, take action. Because when it comes to instant recall, I'm in go mode.